Forests are the lungs of the earth. They're disappearing at unprecedented rates. Climate crisis isn't a possibility. It's happening now. We're doing something about it, and with Patreon, you can too. Individuals won't solve the problem. We have to work together, and with nature. Forests are the most effective way we know of cooling the planet. Regenerating deforested land is our best shot at saving Earth's ecosystems and ourselves. That's what we do here, and with Patreon, you can be part of it. Sueño de Vida is a sustainable living center in the heart of Ecuador's cloud forest, one of the most biodiverse and at-risk areas in the entire world. We are transforming land stripped and degraded by logging into a diverse forest garden, teeming with birds, butterflies, and new life. We lead by example to educate others, cultivate the land, grow food, compost our waste, and build with natural and recycled materials. Most importantly, we plant trees, providing a variety of nutritious foods, cocoa beans, medicine, materials, habitat for pollinators and wildlife, rich carbon-capturing soil, and life-giving oxygen. We won't stop until all this land is regenerated, and with your support, we can do so much more. As a Patreon sustainer, you will have a direct and positive impact on reforestation, and you will receive exclusive rewards, candid and inspiring stories of real life living off the grid, organic cocoa beans, fresh farm-to-table recipes live from the Jungle Cafe, expert and practical yoga instruction, gardening and green living tips, every month directly from the creators and family here at Sueño de Vida. Working together, we can do something to conserve our precious planet. Support the people working hands-on to plant forests. Become a Patreon sustainer of Sueño de Vida and help us sustain life on Earth.